Te Ropu Atawhai or Te Tairawhiti, a group of disabled people who practice and perform Kapa Haka every Tuesday, will be part of Idea Services' virtual Kapa Haka festival. They have recorded a performance that will be sent off to be a part of the inaugural Te Anga Paua or Aotearoa Kapa Haka festival. There are groups from all around New Zealand who have also recorded a performance. The footage of all the performances will be professionally edited to create a virtual festival which will premiere online for performers, whanau and Kapa Haka fans to enjoy in December. Te Ropu Atawhai or Te Tairawhiti has been taught by Pura Tangira, a Tairawhiti-based Kapa Haka tutor, and his niece Tahua Pihema.
What's important to us is that, you know, they feel special and that they feel that they're on top of the world doing what they love to do. It's an absolute blast teaching them. They want to learn, they are learning, they're picking things up, and they enjoy it, so I enjoy it.
A Kapa Haka, you try your hardest to learn, you sing really good songs, and it's quite good. You feel happy. Oh, we learn a lot of singing and doing the poise, and meeting up with groups and that, girls get in the front and the boys at the back.
I like learning, I like singing, it's my thing, and I like teaching guys to do singing and follow the actions of Kapa Haka. The kaya say, "Tu te maina iwi toru wha," and it's my role.
I've been singing songs with Papa Pua. It's just fun to be have Kapa Haka with the guy.